Scratches from pet claws can totally wreck your floors and furniture if you don't handle them right. So, first off, keep your pet's nails trimmed regularly, like every couple of weeks, so they don't turn into little razors. You can ask your vet or a groomer how to do it safely, or even grab some nail clippers made just for pets. Next, toss down some protective mats or rugs in spots where your pet loves to hang out or scratch. It's way easier to replace a mat than your hardwood floor. If your pet has a scratching habit, try redirecting that energy to a scratching post or toy instead of your couch. Also, give them plenty of exercise and playtime so they're less likely to get bored and start scratching out of frustration. If you catch them scratching something off limits, gently move them away and reward them when they use the right spot. Sometimes, applying a pet-safe nail cap can help minimize damage without stressing out your fur ball. Lastly, keep an eye on the claws and your furniture regularly so you can catch problems before they get messy. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pet claw scratches is ignoring regular nail trimming, which leads to deep gouges in floors or furniture. Just keeping those nails short stops most damage before it starts. Another common issue is not protecting high-traffic areas with mats or rugs. These spots are like magnets for scratches, so laying something down saves a lot of headaches. The third problem is missing the signs that your pet is bored or anxious and using scratching as an outlet. Providing toys and playtime fixes this and keeps your home intact. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with local contractors who really know their stuff, making it super easy to find help you can trust. Contractors also get a steady stream of work there, which helps them grow their business without all the hassle.